अगर मैं केएल राहुल होता तो मैं आई थिंक रिटायर होता. Hello guys, welcome back to the Silly Pointer Show. From one toxic boss to another, KL Rahul has finally reached Delhi Capitals. KL Rahul, I think KL Rahul, अगर मैं KL राहुल होता तो मैं आई थिंक रिटायर होता.
मैं दिन भर ये सोचता रहता हूँ कि मेरे अंदर ऐसी कौन सी कमी है कि लोग मुझे निकाल नहीं रहे. एफर्ट तो मैं पूरा मार रहा हूँ.
In our series of IPL previews, अब हम बात करेंगे मेरे होम टाउन टीम की, which I sincerely believe will never win the IPL, Delhi Capitals.
You never know, Mr. Bapu might weave some magic this time around.
I think Bapu has been hard done by for two things. First, he has been picked by Delhi. Second, he has been retained by Delhi. And third, he has been made captain by Delhi.
Captain by Delhi.
इसको बिल में जोड़ के इसको अक्षर पटेल को
इस पे बिल फाड़ेंगे सब.
इस पे बिल फाड़ेंगे सब.
म्यूजिक.
मुझे लगता है अक्षर पटेल का तो कोई इस कंट्री में एटलीस्ट कोई हेटर है ही नहीं, स्पेशली जब उसने जो मिस्टर कोहली के साथ जो किया तो 100 बनाने दिए. आई थिंक उसके बाद तो दो बच्चे कुछ एक दो हेटर होंगे, वो भी कन्वर्ट हो गए होंगे कि यार भाई तू तो सही में तू तो देश का इंसान है.
What a guy.
तू तो राम निकला रे, देव मानुस निकला रे.
भाई हितेश यार तूने फिर से मूड खराब कर दिया ये पहला एक नाम दिखा के मेरे को.
अभिषेक पोरेल भी कप्तान नहीं है.
अभिषेक पोरेल नहीं यार. अभिषेक पोरेल वाले कॉलम में लास्ट नाम देख.
समीर रिजवी.
हैरी ब्रुक बोल रहा है यार वो.
ओ कॉलम में, सॉरी गाइस, इतना एक्सेल यूज करता हूँ फिर भी कॉलम में समझ. हैरी ब्रुक
भाई
तो
क्या एक नंबर का, मतलब मैं बोल नहीं सकता. इतना गुस्सा आता है.
स्मोक बहुत है ना, स्मोक बहुत है.
स्मोक बहुत है, सांस लेने में थोड़ी दिक्कत आ रही है.
दिल्ली का AQI भी मतलब प्रॉब्लमेटिक हो सकता है.
3 साल बढ़िया हवा खाएगा अब वो इंग्लैंड में, क्योंकि इस साल आगे 2 साल बैन हो गया वो.
बैन हो जाएगा. करेक्ट.
Good for him. But thoughts on the squad? I have very mixed thoughts.
Yeah, same. I think बहुत ही hit and miss वाला squad है ये. I think Akshar Patel is the only consistent player I can see over there, apart from Mr. KL. But
KL needs to have a big season, both from a stat standpoint and from an emotion standpoint also. I think very good call of not being the captain.
But the entire franchise itself is calling out for a big season. I mean, अगर आप उनके past performances देखिए, last 3 बार से league stage में ही बाहर हो रहे हैं. And playoffs 21 में they played the playoffs. 2020 में they were runners up. So I think last 3 साल से काफी उनका फॉर्म खराब रहा है. I think the franchisee needs its players to perform well this time.
Yes.
क्योंकि बहुत हो गया. दिल्ली historically coming from the land of Kohlis and Sehwags, I think they deserve one IPL at least. So
भाई कोहली को खुद जिताओ ना IPL. कोहली doesn't deserve an IPL. Kohli's land deserves an IPL.
Land deserves. Yeah, historically it's been a good place. Delhi, good cricketers it has produced. So and the way they started यार, मतलब पहले 2 सीजन 2008-2009 में यार कंसिस्टेंट और इतनी तगड़ी टीम थी यार. मोहम्मद आसिफ, ग्लेन मगरा, एबी डिविलियर्स, दिलशान, सहवाग, गंभीर. I mean
सब थे भाई, सब थे.
What a squad.
मेरा भाई.
One of my favorite bowlers, ना. अजीत अगरकर.
Has to be stats में तो कोई डिनाई नहीं कर सकता.
Yeah.
मगर मेरे को लगता है ये स्क्वाड देख के लगता है कि इन्होंने कुछ तो सोचा होगा स्ट्रैटेजी के हिसाब से एग्जीक्यूट करने को, और वो हुआ नहीं. जितना भी वो हाइप करते हैं कि टकलू अंकल ने बहुत ही क्रेजी ऑक्शन बिडिंग ये सब स्ट्रैटेजी किया, मगर मेरे को इस स्क्वाड से लगता है
यार गुंडू ये हमारे कॉलेज के एग्जाम थोड़ी है. सोच के तो गए ही होंगे. अब वो क्या उनका जो सोचा है उन्होंने वो एक्चुअली हुआ है, वो अलग बात है.
लगता है कि कुछ तो मिसिंग है. मतलब ये स्क्वाड में ऐसा कोई एक्स फैक्टर नहीं दिख रहा मेरे को इतना. मतलब क्रेजी.
I think there is no binding factor in the entire squad anywhere.
I think that is the reason why they got in KL Rahul. I genuinely feel that is one of the reasons he can weave the entire team together, at least the batting order. So I think he'll continue to play his role in a way. He'll try to bat till at least for the first 10 overs if he opens the batting. जो मैं सुन रहा हूँ कि वो नंबर 4 पे भी आ सकते हैं. It's not confirmed yet.
वो मिडिल ऑर्डर में आएगा.
भाई मुझे लगता है कि वो नहीं, बट या कि T20 टीम में वापस उसको कुछ लेना देना नहीं होना चाहिए. I think he is not captaining. I think he shouldn't even keep. Abhishek Porel is there who will play every game. I think KL should just open and KL should just go ballistic.
Enjoy.
Like the KL,
Yeah, just enjoy.
the KL of RCB, the KL of Kings 11 Punjab, just go and do it. I think he has it. Now that we are talking about KL opening, I think he might actually not open because JFM is their designated opener. I don't see him playing down the order. And Faf,
Faf the Duplessis.
yes, उसने कॉल ले लिया है कोटला में खड़े होके कि हाय
हाँ
द वाइस कैप्टन ऑफ दिल्ली कैपिटल्स.
हाँ speaking.
Yeah.
So
I think
Yeah,
experience तो लाएगा
हाँ,
for sure.
I think one thing that is sort of irking me a little and might go against JFM maybe in the latter half of the tournament is कि पहले दो में उनके दो foreign players खर्च हो जा रहे हैं. तो
हाँ.
क्योंकि मुझे लगता है कि स्टब्स को भी उनको खिलाना ही पड़ेगा क्योंकि
correct.
मिडिल ऑर्डर में उनके पास कोई है नहीं. एंड गोइंग ऑन रेपुटेशन स्टार्क विल प्ले. इफ
Stark भी खेलेगा ये
then Chamira will
सारे
play
खेलेंगे.
one of the two, but I think Stark will start. So these
Stark will
four foreigners, I think they just pick themselves. Harry Brook not
Yeah.
being, and Donovan Ferrara haven't done enough. I think he was with RR before that. So these four are sort of there only. Making the 11, JFM and Faf open. Who do you play at 3?
Abhishek Porel.
Porel has to play at number 3.
Yeah.
Porel at 3, then KL at 4, and Stubbs
KL
at
at 4.
Yes.
Stubbs at 5.
Bapu
I
at
would
6.
actually keep Bapu and I think Stubbs में ऊपर नीचे हो सकता है depending
हाँ.
on what kind of
Bapu
bowler
5,
तो है.
Stubbs 6. Bapu 5, Stubbs
हाँ.
6.
I
ऐसे हो
think
I
सकता
think
they
दोनों
will-
side से left arm spinners हुए तो they might send Aksar also, or Aksar might promote himself rather. And number 6 पे then Stubbs might come.
I think they might not want to waste Stubbs at 6. I think the kind of player that he is, beautiful player, but अगर टीम में जगह नहीं बन रही होगी, तो I think playing 11 में he might not come at 6, and they आशुतोष का I think
Get him as a
anyway,
super.
so one of the either Sameer Rizvi or Karun Nair can get a shot.
Yes, I think Karun Nair definitely deserves a shot.
Yes.
ये है कि I mean I don't think so he'll play as a finisher. तो क्योंकि if KL is playing at 4 and we know that Abhishek Porel will play at 3, तो उसके बाद करुण की जगह मुझे लगता है कि as a finisher तो नहीं बनती है.
तो फिर बाकी-
But what a domestic. But I mean kudos to him यार. What a domestic season he's had
Fighters.
across formats.
Yes.
One day test.
And all of us rooting for him to be picked for India.
Yeah.
All of us were hoping.
For sure. I think Champions Trophy was a far-fetched bet, but I think next season the problem is his age. But if he continues to provide, if he has a strong IPL, तो फिर तो definitely he should be given a chance.
But T20 टीम में तो जगह ही नहीं है. But maybe
नहीं T20 में नहीं. I'm talking one day. I think
maybe in
इतने
the-
hundreds बनाने के बाद
I think you should just start practicing
and
opening a little bit. रोहित के जाते ही. Before
यशस्वी बैठा है सर.
before यशस्वी can take his claim. Anyway, तो 5 या 6 पे let's see. अगर हम 3 पे पोरेल, 4 पे किसको रखा था हमने?
राहुल.
KL Rahul.
4 पे राहुल. 5 पे अभी के लिए if we are seeing Stubbs, तो 6 पे बापू.
5 पे अक्सर 6 पे
5-6 interchangeable.
हाँ.
अगर 6 पे Hitesh, you have a valid
But I get your point. If
अगर
Aksar is going to play at 5, तो
छह
फिर then
पे अगर-
Stubbs का 6 पे होना is too late.
हाँ.
6 पे अगर स्टब्स वेस्ट हो रहा है तो आई थिंक स्टब्स के जगह डोनोवन फेरेरा भी खेल सकता है. डोनोवन फेरेरा इज अ
That is
ऑलराउंडर,
where we'll make a point. Yeah.
right hand batter who hits the ball long, and he's also an off break bowler.
Which will
So
also
they
give
get
a chance to replace him in case they want to get in Stubbs. If they are not that confident
Yeah.
about his batting and
Yeah.
let's see what he's doing in the next season.
Yeah,
So that can be a chance.
that can be a good swap.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah.
That will be that हम कहाँ पहुँच गए? नंबर 7 पे पहुँच गए. 8 पे हमारा स्टार्क, 9 पे मेगरा, 10 पे नटराजन, 11 पे कुलदीप.
Kuldeep. Yes, sir.
But last time around 5 matches अरुण जेटली स्टेडियम में हुए. Lowest score was 189. That too they were chasing. So opportunities काफी है to go big right from the start, and they will have to. अगर similar wickets रहे इस बार भी दिल्ली में तो I think that is where Stark के Yorkers काम आएंगे. Hopefully he'll bowl really well at the death.
And
I
I think
think
that is where
Mohit Sharma.
I think that is where their batting gets differentiated from the rest of the hard-hitting squads. कि आप when you look at an SRH or a KKR or for that matter even Rajasthan Royals, you know कि एक गया तो दूसरा, दूसरा गया तो तीसरा. इस टीम में ऐसा लगता है कि अगर ऊपर से 3 विकेट जल्दी गिर गए तो इनका मिडिल ऑर्डर में पैनिक है. इनके क्योंकि बापू इज अ गुड बैट्समैन बट मतलब अगर ऊपर से 3 विकेट गिर गए बापू भी
उसका I think this would be his coming of age season where मतलब from all fronts वो
yes
he'll be firing is what I feel.
yes
But yeah, but what about Chamira?
यार
Do you
this
think he'll get a shot?
चमीरा स्टार्क का बैकअप है.
I think so. I think so. मुझे लगता है कि I don't think Stark will play all 14 games. I also think Stark
Yeah.
might not have that good of a season because last year also he did not have that good of a season. He's a very good bowler against opening bowler against
Yeah.
left-handers, so he did very well in the final.
But this time around उतना pressure नहीं रहेगा उसको to win मतलब
हाँ
TC has never won तो
yeah.
हाँ
But I think सही है वो आगे उसका WTC final आ रहा है. There's an Ashes also, so he wouldn't mind resting 7-8 games out of 14. I mean, playing half of it, not playing the other half. I think he should be okay. So I definitely, मतलब Dushmanta Chamira will get a chance for sure. Where do you see them? Where do you see them ending? I don't see them qualifying this year also, guys. I'm a very strong believer of them never winning the IPL.
I see them as a strong 7th or 8th.
Oh,
strong 7th or 8th भाई मतलब ये कैसा तुमने एडजेक्टिव लगाया इसके लिए?
They are going in the direction with the force, na? Like you say, strong first, second type. So they're strong 7 in it. That they'll try their best.
I think
मतलब उनके chances 8th के साथ है.
4th or 4th?
I think it will be 4th or 5th. Yeah. I think they might have a good season. अगर उनके batters फिरोज शाह पे चल गए,
If you think 4th or 5th, अगर वो 5th भी आए तो तेरे हिसाब से वो NRR पे मार कर जाएंगे.
हाँ क्योंकि ये लोग definitely 2-3 मैचेस में तो कोलैप्स होंगे फॉर श्योर. उतनी स्टेबिलिटी है नहीं अपार्ट फ्रॉम केएल. तो बट इंटरेस्टिंग टू सी अक्षर पटेल एज अ कैप्टन. मैं तो काफी वेट कर रहा हूँ. लेट्स सी हाउ इट गोस.
Yes, very very different from Rishabh. I think they're going to miss his services as a captain, not so much as a batter. But let's see.